was Christmas Eve at the North Pole, and Santa was getting ready to deliver gifts. But there was just one problem.
Oh no, my bell.
Santa, what's wrong?
My golden bell, it's missing. It is my special bell. I cannot go without it. It makes me feel extra magical. I cannot deliver presents without it. Do not worry, Santa. We will find your bell in no time.
Yeah, we're ready to help, Santa.
We'll search every corner of the workshop until we find it.
We won't let you down!
Friends, I have a plan. While we are looking for Santa's golden bell, we can also learn about shapes and colors. Maybe that will help us spot Santa's golden bell. All right, team, let's go!
There are so many boxes here. How are we going to find the right one?
Maybe if we look really carefully, we can spot it.
Yes, let's look for something shining and golden in color. We'll search everywhere and see if we can find anything that matches.
Look here, everyone. I found a round shape ornament, but it's too small and red in color.
And here is a triangle-shaped gift box. But bells are not triangles, are they?
Is this Santa's bell? It's blue and it is square.
No, Santa's bell is round and golden in color, not a triangle. Let's keep looking.
Here's a shiny red star. Is this Santa's bell?
What about this? It's green.
Nice try, Sparkle and Percy, but green or red is not the color we are looking for.
Look, we have lots of things in one pile. Maybe one of these is Santa's bell.
Let's look closer.
We have got a lot of things, but it's not here yet. Let's keep trying. Don't give up, everyone. Santa's counting on us.
Let's look in one last place, the top shelf.
Wait, what's that inside the box over here?
Look, we found it, Santa's magical bell. Hooray!
It's exactly as Kiddie described. Golden and round.
Yay! Santa will be so happy.
We did it together. Friends, let's take the bell to Santa.
Oh, thank you, thank you. You all worked so hard. Now, I feel ready to spread Christmas joy.
Santa, it was our pleasure. We're so happy we could help.
This is a little thank you gift for helping me. You've shown such kindness and teamwork.
Wow, thank you, Santa. These are amazing.
It was fun, Santa, and we learned a lot about shapes and colors along the way. Bye-bye, Santa. Merry Christmas. Have a magical Christmas.
Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night.
Thank you so much for joining us on this magical adventure. We hope you loved helping us find Santa's special golden bell.
And don't forget to spread the holiday cheer. Give this story a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and family.
Yes, and make sure to subscribe for more heartwarming stories and fun adventures.
Hit that bell icon so you'll always know when we have a new story ready for you.
And from all of us here in Santa's workshop, thank you for watching. See you soon for another exciting adventure.